have a six cat. I have a three, big cats. And they have three new baby cats. Ano ba yan? Ano ba tawag doon? Catting?
Dalawa lang. Malaki.
Ay, dalawa. Oh, so, I will give you, loose. You want? You want cats? Loose? Where is my one cats? Ano, karamihan ay white. There is, white cats. I like, because, my favorite is a white. Where is my, my mga cats? Cats. Kawawa. Ang dami dito. Dami ditong, ay, ano ba ito? Thank you, everybody. Sing. Salamat sa inyo. I don't think cats will like dogs. I have a one dog, my security guard in my door because my door is no lock. No lock na. Patay na yung ilaw. My lock, my dog is security guard my door because my door is no lock. No lock, no lock. No. La 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 la. You don't think cats? Janet. Ooh, thank you so much, Luz. Thank you. So, live lang. Live lang. Live lang. Sorry, ano? Asa na kaya si Trending? Hindi pa si Maria. La 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 la. Bakit ba pangako hindi kita iiwan? Pangako hindi ka na nag-iisa. Pangakong magmula ngayon tayong dalawa ang magkasaming coffee too. My favorite coffee, but I'm not allowed my coffee. Because the coffee is the cause of an acidic. I miss a coffee. Hello, anak. Hello. Nak, wara. The coffee. I miss a coffee. I want a coffee na. But I'm scared sa coffee. Ayoko na mag-trigger ang aking acid. Luz, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. With honey, right time. With honey. Ano na lang ako, water. water lang ako.